Welcome. In the last two videos, we had discussed about the series clipper circuit both in unbiased and biased condition. Today in this video, we shall complete the parallel clipper circuits. As said earlier, parallel clipper circuit means the diode is in parallel to the applied signal Vin. So let's start. Suppose this is our circuit. Here the diode is in parallel to the applied signal, so this is a parallel circuit, and since Vin is the only voltage source present in the circuit, this is a unbiased circuit. Suppose Vin is Vm sin omega t. Suppose the polarity of the diode is like this with Vd voltage. Now let us find the biasing conditions using KVL law in this mesh. So Vin minus Vd is 0, that is Vin is equals to Vd. Now for the diode to be in forward bias, the polarity that I have shown here must be same, and for that Vd should be greater than 0. That means for Vin greater than 0, the diode will be in forward bias, and like that for Vin less than 0, the diode will be in reverse bias. Now let us see the equivalent circuits. For forward biasing of the diode, our equivalent circuit is this. Here VO is the voltage across these two nodes, so VO will be 0 for this condition, that is for Vin greater than 0. And for the reverse bias condition, the diode will be replaced by an open circuit, and the equivalent circuit will look like this, where VO will follow Vin. So this is the condition for Vin less than 0. Let us now see the output graph. Our applied signal is this. Now for Vin greater than 0, output is 0, and for Vin less than 0, that is for this half, VO is following Vin. So this is the output graph for this circuit, that the signal above this DC level has been clipped. So this is a positive clipper circuit which is in parallel and unbiased. Let us also see the transfer characteristics. For Vin greater than 0, that is this side, VO is 0, and for Vin less than 0, that is this side, it is Vin. So this is the transfer characteristics for this circuit. And just like the last one, analyze this circuit, where you will find that the circuit clips the negative portion of the applied signal, so it's a negative clipper which is in parallel and unbiased. Now let us see some biased circuits. Here you can see that the diode is in parallel to the applied signal, so it's a parallel circuit, and since along with Vin there is an external voltage source of Vb, it's a biased circuit. Vin is again taken as Vm sin omega t, and the graph is like this. The polarity of the diode is taken as this with a voltage of Vd. Now let us see the biasing conditions in the circuit. So put KVL law in this mesh. So we will have Vin plus Vb plus Vd equals to 0. That is Vd is equals to minus of Vb plus Vin. Now for the forward biasing of the diode, the polarity that I have shown in the circuit should remain the same, that is Vd should be greater than 0, and that means minus of Vb plus Vin is greater than 0. So Vb plus Vin is less than 0, which implies Vin to be less than minus of Vb. This is the condition for forward biasing, and similarly for Vin greater than minus of Vb, we will have reverse biasing. Let us now see the equivalent circuits. Here the output voltage VO will follow Vb, and we will have minus Vb minus VO as 0, that is VO is minus Vb. And for reverse biasing, our equivalent circuit will be this, where the VO will follow the input signal Vin. This is for Vin greater than minus Vp, and this is for Vin less than or minus Vp. Now let us draw the output graph. This is our input signal. This is the maximum value Vm, and suppose this is minus Vp. The magnitude of minus Vp is taken to be less than the maximum value Vm. So now for Vin less than minus Vp, that is in this duration, the diode is in forward bias, and we will have a constant value of minus Vp for this duration, and except that everywhere the diode will be in reverse bias and it will follow the input graph. So the output graph will look like this, or this value is minus Vp. Here you can see that below this DC level of minus Vp, the signal has been clipped, so it's a negative clipper circuit which is parallel and biased. Let us now see the transfer characteristics. This is minus Vp. For Vin greater than minus Vp, that is this side, Vo is Vin, and for Vin less than minus Vp, that is this side, it is minus Vp. So this is the transfer characteristics for this particular circuit. In a similar procedure, solve these C circuits, find their biasing conditions, the output graphs and the transfer characteristics. You will find that these two circuits will be positive clippers, whereas this one will be a negative clipper, and it is needless for me to say that all of these will be parallel and biased clipper circuits. I hope it will be easy for you, but in case you have any problem or if you have any doubt regarding the topic, then comment below and I will try to clear them. So that is all for this video. In the next video we shall discuss about double clipper circuit, where there will be two diodes present in the circuit.